welcome to Adventures with the Mullies. My name's Tommy and I'm here at the RIU Splash. Yeah, come on, let's get sliding down those slides. It's here to keep the kids entertained, even the adults too. I think I'm going to have a go. What do you reckon? Come on then, let's go. Let's take her down the slide, but for now, buenos dias. Okay, so I've just done as many slides as I possibly could. The last one was dead scary. Joe said I look like an elephant being given birth. But yeah, overall it's great for the kids, great for the adults. But yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. So get yourself here at the Splash Park here at RIU. But for now, adios.